Many of us have experienced the Day of the Dead festivals and parades in our hometowns. There are skeleton ladies dressed up in a fancy way and wearing hats. There's also altars and offerings for the dead, with ofrendas set up on tables, with decorations, food, drinks, and personal belongings of the deceased to help them find their families. This is when the spirits return to earth to be with their friends and loved ones. It brings unity and pride to families of many Mexicans. But many of us still don't know what the Day of the Dead is all about. One of Mexico's most colorful traditions has extended around the world. In that country, people visit the graveyards bringing the ofrenda, candles, and cempasúchil flowers to their tombs. Some play music and sing to their dead their favorite songs. Others pray, hoping the muerto is doing well in the land of the dead. For some, it's a time of grief. For most, it's an opportunity to serve their loved ones. Perhaps those who parted are enjoying the party, feasting on their favorite things as when they were alive, and loving on those who are still here. But some are forgotten and remain far away. It would be nice if we all could remember our loved ones. Bringing gifts, flowers and food every year to let them know they are still in our hearts.